We've got intel on cartel activity at the train cemetery. Check the place out and see what you can find.
Approaching train cemetery.
That where old trains go to die. When the local mines went bust, the companies left all their trains behind.
Keep your heads down. We don't want to say a big hello until we find something. Hold on. Signs of cartel activity up ahead.
Looks like Bowman was right. What's the play, boss?
Let's find the asshole in charge and see what he can tell us. I got a third.
Roger, let me get in position. Moving to a good sight line. Roger that, target marked. Got the target. Moving to a better position. Good to go. Got him. Hey, we're good.
Sniper out there.
We got hostiles in the area.
The drone is up. Got another tango. I got a target carrying submachine guns. Just spotted one with submachine guns. If that's a tour group, I'll eat my fucking boot.
You think this is connected to Reed?
Only one way to find out.
What about the friendlies?
We'll cut them loose if we can, but it's not our priority. Clear?
Clear.
Got eyes on a Santa Blanca, Lieutenant. Looks like you may be the man we're looking for.
Got him.
Remember, we need him alive. Easy.
Ave Maria
Come here.
Purísima! I'm done fighting! Okay, listo!
Taking a shot.
Entrego las armas. Está bien, me rindo.
Take it easy, okay? Cálmate, pues. Let's talk about this. Maybe we can make a deal, you and me.
You want a deal? How's this? Give me Reed and maybe I don't blow your brains out.
Aguanta. Look, I don't know where he is, okay? Reed does everything through his middleman.
What about these people? Where are they from?
There's 5 or 6 villages Reed likes to hit. Places where people disappear and no one asks any questions. Así de simple.
And the cartel? They got a cut too?
No. We keep this to ourselves. Sueño would send every one of us to El Pozolero if he found out.
I want a list of these villages you've been targeting. Now.
Tranquis, okay? Whatever you say. But you didn't get it from me, all right? ¿Está claro?
Bowman, you were right about Reed. Fucker's running a human trafficking operation right under Sueño's nose.
Outstanding. This could be the lever we need to force Reed into the open. Keep pulling on that thread, Nomad. Let's see where it leads.
What about the cocaine smuggling network?
No reason why you can't investigate that too. Reed's at the center of both. With luck, we can kill 2 birds with 1 stone.
Copy that. Nomad out. Let's go.
You might be wondering why Unidad's fight against the rebel bandits matters to you. You think you're
I see a second target. Tango number 3.
I'm getting a position. Let me find a good position. Acquired. Standing by. Roger. Target acquired.
Open fire.
Target eliminated. Okay, we're still good. Eyes on a gun turret. Generator spotted. We want to shut off the power?
I got a target carrying submachine guns. Got another tango.
I'm moving to position. I need to get to a better position. I've got the target. Target lost. Eyes on a gun turret.
I got eyes on a sniper.
Let me get into position. Eyes on the target. Standing by.
Just spotted one with submachine guns. I got another. That's 5.
No target. Repeat. No target. Got one. Hey, we got a narco by the camp entrance.
go.
We'll go. Bad guys are marked, waiting on you, boss.
I'm opening fire. Clear.
Escuche, conviene, soy inocente. Si me libera, le devolveré 1000 veces el favor.
We'll leave a marker so the rebels can pick up the supplies later.
Got anything?
Could be. It's a work schedule for one of the air traffic controllers at the Kawani airport. Just so happens that this guy's always on duty when the cartel's got a flight planned.
What a coincidence.
Let's track this guy down and see what he knows about Reed.